My client wants to cover his tattoo with another star, but with a twist.
So, for today's video is another tattoo session and ito ay cover up. So, si Sir is Siman, kabababa lang niya sa barko and taga Baguio daw siya. Kaya bago umuwi ng Baguio, dumaan muna sa shop para magpa-cover up. Then, binigyan ko siya ng design and ito yung filigree. Then, may scattered na stars dun sa gitna. So, kasi gusto ni Sir nandun pa rin yung star. Kasi may maganda daw yung meaning ng star. So, hindi ko naman na-google. So, gusto nyo malaman kung anong meaning ng star, google nyo na lang. And yan. Gamit pa rin ng Arctic Ink by Sir Bong Arquines, ang Mad Kid by Sir Lester Soriano. And start the process.